From the moment you sit down and flip open your laptop until the moment you log off, I bet you're relying on a web app. Gmail, Outlook, Trello, Facebook, Spotify, Docs, all web apps. You can access them through a web browser wherever you have internet, and it's safe to say that they are essential to modern day business. And we're just at the start of their journey, where web apps are only getting better and better every day. So if you're unfamiliar with what web apps are, you're in the right place to learn more. We'll also dive into real world examples of web apps that you might want to start using today. As the name suggests, a web app runs through the World Wide Web, just like a website. It's an online application that you can access using your web browser without downloading anything to your device. One way to understand web apps is by looking at the differences between a website, a web app, and a mobile app. Websites allow you to access information. With a website, you'll be able to access information and get an understanding of something. A website is something that you can see and read, but there's nothing that you can do as a user to change, activate, or manipulate the data. Web apps, however, go one step further. They're a website on steroids, performing programmed actions and tasks for you. Mobile apps, also known as native apps, get downloaded to your device using the App Store or the Play Store. Therefore, a mobile app can actually run without internet as you've downloaded it to your device. You'll run the app using your operating system, although you might need to use the internet to download it in the first place, or access paid parts of the app. So, to summarize, websites show information on the web apps perform tasks and actions for you on the web, and mobile apps are downloaded onto your device. You probably figured out that each has its place in the digital world. When it comes down to choosing if you should build a web app or a mobile app, both have pros and cons, and it's really about understanding the problem you are solving and the user's needs. Sometimes it's necessary to have all three: a website, a mobile app, and a web app. Think of a digital product like Spotify. If you need any help deciding on what you should build, we've got another video about native apps versus web apps. It's right there. So, why are web apps vital for modern day business? Web apps solve pain points for a business or a consumer. They help businesses run smoothly and efficiently. Content management systems, for example, project management software, or a simple web chat. They're tools to make businesses better, or they can be a business in themselves. Our awesome clients have done just that. Take Standout CV as an example, a recruitment agency that came to us with an idea to create a web app that automatically helps a user build a job-winning CV in minutes, adding not just another layer of value to their services, but creating another source of revenue. Now, for 7 web app examples you'll want to start using today. HubSpot, a powerful web application capable of more than just an easy-to-use customer relationship management system, but a sales and marketing powerhouse. Squoosh, a web app that I use uploading new photos to our website. I simply drag and drop the images in, and then boom, a compressed, high-quality image at the ready. Facebook, probably one of the world's most successful and most used web apps. Facebook lets you create your very own profile, post updates, talk to people via a chat, and so much more. Google Apps, Docs, Sheets, Drive, Gmail, Slides, all web apps, part of the Google Workspace ecosystem. Without them, how would we run our businesses? Klaviyo, a web app that helps marketers create meaningful customer experiences delivered at scale. Klaviyo is not just an email marketing and SMS tool, but a solution that analyzes data to carry out better, more professional and effective marketing strategies. Cafe. When the working world changed overnight, Cafe supported hybrid working. Cafe is an app that helps businesses manage who is planning to be in the office or not. We used Cafe here at Hiyield soon after we adopted the hybrid way of working, and since, never looked back. Shopify, an online all-encompassing e-commerce solution. Shopify has all sorts of solutions, perfectly formed to sell online, from its own point of sale system or its fulfillment services. It's a web app that makes e-commerce simple and scalable. And that's a wrap. All the links are in the description. And if you're looking to build a winning web app, why not get in touch with us here at Hiyield?